will start with the validations topic. Anyone having any idea what is a validation?
Yeah.
So first I will show you so you can understand everything. So validations are the conditions, like our if conditions are there, right? If this value is the true, it will be print like this. So conditions mean in SAP, suppose if you want to pass one FB60 invoice, directly you can pass that FB60 invoice. But company what they will do, sometimes they will give some conditions. Let me show open this one. Okay. Arjun, this is one FB60 invoice. So now directly I can pass any kind of the invoices here. Okay. Suppose suppose I will give one simple example here. Suppose I just want to pass some more expenses. Mostly we will give the validations for the cash expenses only. Okay. Suppose others take any kind of the example. Suppose I have the rent is there. Now I directly here I can select my vendor. So the rent amount is a 20,000. Example 20,000. Here I am selecting one rent GL. Okay. Suppose now if I pass the invoice, automatically the invoice will be saved. This is a normal one. Okay. Coming to the validation, here I can give any kind of the validations here. Validation means conditions. First I will explain you simple condition. Suppose this is a GL. This is the amount. What first concept is coming to the company point of view. This validation will be used for the cash payments, any kind of the cash invoices. Suppose against this GL, the company you can post maximum up to 15,000 only. System should it will not allow more than 15,000 rupees. So it means you are preparing one GL. You are preparing one invoice with this GL, but invoice amount is at 20,000. But system will not allow you for the 20,000. System will allow you only up to 15,000 only. If you're trying to pass more than 15,000, system will throw the error. You are not like any kind of the error message. So it will not allow you to save the data. Suppose this is one GL is there. Against the GL, you can use any kind of the business area. You can select any kind of the business area. I can give you a condition that this GL is applicable only for this business area, one business area. I mean, system will not allow. Suppose I have given Hyderabad business area. Okay, suppose I have given a condition, it has to work only for the Hyderabad business area. While you are posting the transaction, in case if you enter Mumbai business area, system will throw an error. You are not authorized. I mean, you cannot save the transaction because we have given one validation that this GL applicable only for this business area, not for other business area. So these are the this examples. So mostly we will give the validation for the expenses. So suppose GL expenses this much, we should not pass this beyond this amount. Is this clear, guys? What is the validations?
Just Vishnu.
Okay, so it's a very important topic. This is a little different topic, but it's a easy. So first, okay, guys. So first, I will start with that step one. So step one, what we are going to do? First, we will go to the GGB0T code. Then we will create one validation. Okay, this is a step one. So directly I'm going here. Okay, so this is the validation T code. I'm going for next one is the financial accounting. Go to GGB0 financial accounting line items. Okay, under this financial accounting line item. Okay, so these are the previous validations. We are going to create the validation under line item level. So place the cursor on line item level. Above you can see one option create validation. Just click on the create validation. Automatically system will ask validation name. So same I have given the note. So place the cursor on line item, click on the create validation. You have to give the validation one name for your validation. We are doing this for the FB60, right? So I will give it from FB60 valuation. Okay, I just press enter. So automatically system will create you separate line item here. You can see here FB60 VAL. Okay, so our first step is that we have to create one validation. After that, we have to assign the steps. Steps means conditions. So place the cursor on your valuation, then click on step. Automatically, so every validation is having the three steps: prerequisites, check, and message. Tajuddin, I can see your message. You have only 18 recordings. It's on drive. You can go through the drive. You can get all recordings.
When you send, sir,
Yes,
last
I'm
week
not
I
saying
received.
it's auto upload.
Okay, okay, I will check.
You can see here, I think its last one is a 23rd video.
Yeah, I receive only 18.
Guys, it is a mail only. I'm not sharing to anyone. Automatically, I will drop it here. So automatically, it will come to all your mail ID. Just click this one. Check it properly.
Okay, sir, I will check.
Okay, so here in steps, this we have three steps are there: prerequisite, check, and message. So first, I will give the explanation. What is the prerequisite? Prerequisite means okay, yes. So here we have three steps are there. In steps we have three combinations are there: prerequisites, check, and message. Prerequisites means prerequisites are the combinations of the data. Combinations of the data means like company code and GL is a one combination. I will explain you. Suppose this is a FD60 invoice. Here I want to give one condition. What is my condition here? First understand the condition. You can understand easily. My condition is this is my company code, Indu company code. In Indu company code, GL amount is above 15,000. It should not allow. What is the combination here? Here I am the first system will check what is the combination. Combination is the Hindu company plus this GL. I am giving this condition only for one GL. Assume it is a cash GL. I am giving or else any kind of that expenses also you can give. So this is the rent expenses. So here I am giving the condition only for the in this company code. If I enter this GL, what is that amount to? This is the combinations. Suppose in FB60, I came to this company code. I'm not entering this GL. I'm entering other GL. Suppose instead of the rent GL, I'm entering 40,002. It is that other expense, admin expenses GL. So that time validation will not work. If you pass 20,000 of the system will accept. When the system will apply the validation, it is a combination of this company code and this GL. That time only it will accept the validation. Is this clear, guys? What is mean by combination?
Yes, Vishnu.
Okay, so here what is my combination here? My company code I am giving Indu is my company code plus what is your GL? Suppose this is my GL. In FB60, if you enter these two details only, system will go to the validation. It will apply the condition 15,000 condition. Suppose if you didn't suppose this is not the combination. Company code is the Hindu, but the GL is not this one. You have entered other GL. That time validation will not work. It will allow for any kind of the postings. Is this clear, guys? This is
Yes,
the
Vishnu.
prerequisite. This is a combination. The second step is a check. Check is a condition. Here, my requirement is in case if user enter this company code, this GL, what is your requirement? Amount should not enter about 20,000. Or else business area is only Hyderabad business area. Like this, multiple conditions you can assign. Okay, my my requirement is amount should not be greater than 20,000. I am going to give the same example amount. amount should be less than 15,000. This is my condition. In check area, we are going to assign, we are going to give what is your exact requirement. Okay, so my requirement is in case user given this company code and this GL, so user, I mean system will accept the posting below 15,000 only. This is my condition. In case if it is a failed, what is a message? Amount above 15,000 is not allowed. In message, and system will display automatically one kind of the message. The message is a amount above 15,000 is not allowed. Coming to the business area, you are not authorized to enter this kind of the business area. Is this clear, guys?
Yes, Vishnu.
Okay, so these are the three are the important. What is a prerequisite, what is a check, and what is a message? Okay. Now coming to the prerequisite, just click on the prerequisite. Okay, so this is a prerequisite data. First, system will display the data like this: BKPF, BSEC, and the structures are there. So here you have to remember one more thing here. So when we are doing that enhancement project, we have discussed about that technical names and the tables also we have discussed. Anyone remember what is the company code technical name?
Bacchus.
So company code is a Bacchus, GL is a HCon,
Perfect.
WRB, GL amount is a WRBT. Suppose here, these are the technical names. Already we have discussed, right? If you pass one invoice, if you pass one FB60 invoice, automatically all the information will be stored in different tables. Okay, like vendor open table, vendor clear table. Along with the table, so system will store two basic tables are there. That is a BKPF table and BSEC table. Okay, so automatically in this case, so if I pass that invoice, FB60 invoice, so directly company code I'm going to get from BKPF table, GL and amount I'm going to get from the BSEC table, or else you can get all the data from one table only. So it is you should remember, so where the data will be saved. Okay, in this case, so mostly all company code data we're going to get it from BKPF table only. So you can see here, there are two tables are there. BKPF table, BSEC table. So first go to BKPF table. If the data is there, take from BKPF table. If not, come to BSEC, take from the BSEC table here. Okay. So now just double click the BKPF table. Automatically, so in BKPF, all fields will be displayed here. Okay. So what is, you just come to this prerequisites. So what is our condition? Combination of company code plus GL. This is our combination. So first what we have to take? We have to take the company code. What is the technical name for the company code? Buckets, right? Here you have to remember one more thing. Right side you can see this option. Arrow means it will come back side. It will come main page. Okay. Again you can go to other table. Here technical fields is there. Just click here. Normal fields. Technical fields. Okay. This is a very important.